How to use standby letter of credit for your upcoming deal. Is your trade deal pending due to lack of cash flow? Have you decided to conclude your trade deal using SBLC MT760? Is your bank said no to support you with your SBLC request? No worries, we are here to help you by providing standby letter of credit from good rated European banks at zero collateral. What is standby letter of credit? A standby letter of credit is a written undertaking issued by bank to give assurance to the supplier that in case if the buyer defaults, then the bank will take the responsibility to fulfill the payment commitments. How standby letter of credit help you for your upcoming deal? By giving payment assurance, SBLC proves the creditworthiness of the buyer and proves their payment skills. Since SBLC acts as a payment at last resort, buyers can easily get out from the worst case scenario in case of any default. SBLC gives confidence to both the parties involved in trade transaction. If you are looking to get standby letter of credit to execute the importation of goods, then contact us with your SBLC requirements. We can facilitate the required SBLC MT760 from good rated international banks. Apply for SBLC now and conclude your trade deals in the next 48 hours. Contact us today. Email us support@bwtradefinance.com. Call us 971-455-19699. Call or WhatsApp or bottom 9715046487761. Visit www.bwtradefinance.com.